In this video, we will discuss how you can cross-link your pages and posts, because that's also very important for a nice site, that if you have multiple pieces of content, that one piece of content links to the other. So we haven't done this in a while, but I want to show you again. Like, you click on edit here on the top right, and then now I can edit. I'm in edit mode, and here I can click new, and then I say post with cross linking, enter, and I click here, open, and I can here open in full page. And if I go and type at, I just typed at, right? Then I can mention a page or date, right? So for example, media, it's post with media. Yeah, I just mentioned the page, right? And it will automatically create a link, and it will automatically also have the same title. Yeah, so if I change the title of post with media, it will also change here. So if you'd like to see some beautiful media, go to post with media. All right, so let's actually go there and say cool post with media. I'm going to click the back button, and now it changed to cool post with media. So that's a way, if you want to cross-link to other pages or posts in your site, that's one way. You click add, and then you use the search to find the piece of media that you want to link to, the piece of content you want to link to. I could also say, if you'd like to check out the sample page, follow this link, right? So it doesn't have to be the same text, right? So I can also say, okay, I want this link to be the link text, and then I click link, and I say sample. Actually, we deleted then. Oh no, we still have sample post. Yeah, we deleted the sample page, but we still have the sample post. So here now, I click here, and now this is a link to my sample post. Yeah. So this way you can cross-reference other pieces of content, and it works this way where we also had a draft. Yeah. This will only link after it is not a draft anymore. So this will link, this will only link, yeah, and then link to drafted post, right? So I have a link to my drafted post, and as long as it's in draft, this will just be normal text, right? This will not be a link because the post is still in draft. And as soon as I publish, it will become a link. So that's a way how to give your readers like a preview, right? You say, oh, in the future we'll talk about this, and this. You maybe make a bullet points and link it to all your drafted posts, and then they automatically become links once you've created the respective posts. So that's like another feature that you can use. And I encourage you to cross-link as much as possible. Like, it should be a whole network of pages that cross-link to one another, and that is a sign for search engines and also for user of like a healthy website, right? Where the user can just go on an adventure and take paths that they want to take, their own paths across your website, right? So use that feature, and then you can bring a lot of value to people who want to explore what you have to offer, and they will go on a link clicking journey through the rabbit hole, depending on what they most care about. So thanks for watching.